Alright, so I have two unboxings for you guys in this video, both pairs of Jordans from All-Star Weekend. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, including the Nike Epic React Flyknits, which did release, check the links in the description, and happy shopping. Today's video, I want to show you guys two pairs of Jordans. One that everybody, I'm pretty sure, ended up copying from this weekend, and that is this pair of Air Jordans right here. Air Jordan 3, and you can see the box label right here in the traditional Air Jordan 3 box. And we have a pair of the black cement 3s with that Nike Air on the back. So I was really glad that these finally came out and I was able to scoop up a pair of these. I did double up, so unfortunately my double up didn't come in time. So expect maybe a follow-up when I show you guys like a detailed review of these, because I plan on doing like a detailed review of the black cement 3s if you guys want to see that with them on feet and all that stuff. But these are ones that I was really excited to get again. This is like just one of the most iconic pairs of Air Jordan 3s, of Air Jordans in general of all time. So I'm really glad that they actually ended up retroing them again. I do have the last retro, but the paint is chipping a little bit on my last one already. Did you guys scoop the black cement 3s or not? I mean, look at the quality is decent. It's not like amazing leather quality like we were hoping for, some really nice tumbled leather. It is what it is, and the elephant print you could see looks decent in my opinion, and then the Nike Air always is a plus to see that on the back. True to the original form, Nike Air on the insole as well, and then the Nike on the bottom. All in all, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's a nice looking shoe. It's definitely one of the releases that had a massive GR comparison to some of the other ones. And I know that the resale on these is like super low right now, like I think 250 or 230 or something like that, which is pretty crazy. And we've seen tons and tons of restocks. I've been posting them on Instagram and Twitter as soon as I see the restocks happening. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter at HessKicks if you guys don't. But we've seen a ton of restocks. As I'm kind of imagining they're going to do with the bread toe ones. I feel like they probably made more pairs of those and then just are trying to control and make it a little bit more limited. So I bet we'll have restocks in those through the next couple weeks as well. But this definitely was a must pick up. Moving on, I want to show you guys the other one. Now this one I haven't seen yet. It's sealed. This will be my first look at this shoe. And this is one that, this might be the most limited pair of Jordans from All-Star Weekend. So if that's any inclination of what this is, some of you guys may know. And here we have the box. It looks like it is just a regular Jumpman box and it has a gold foil on it. But we have a special pair inside here. And you can see this is kind of indicator right here. Air Jordan 17 Soulfly. So, and this is cool. It came with two bags. That's a nice little plus. Looks like my second bag locks its lace tip, but I can reattach that. It should be simple. Anyway, the shoes. I haven't looked at them yet, and this is the Soulfly Air Jordan 17 lows. And, oh nice. So there's a little bit of a cover on that. Leather quality looks really on point on these, that's for sure. I don't know if you could see that, but that's pretty nice. And it has the SF on the back. And let's check the other one out. And here is the other one. And it has the Jumpman on the back of this one. Kind of cool little eyelets that it has right here. And just so you guys know, this is an alternate colorway of the Air Jordan 17s in this lightning kind of theme. And I guess the original ones happened years ago for a different All-Star weekend. So kind of cool that they did a little bit of a nod for that. But I don't know how I feel about this weird little sock liner thing at the top. It's kind of crazy to see the resale on these, but these ones were limited to 2,300 pairs. So 2,300 pairs, I think this was probably the most limited release of All-Star Weekend. If you guys think that it was a more limited release, more limited than the 2,300 of these, leave a comment and let me know what was the most limited one. And I'm just curious to see what you guys say, because I don't know what else would have been more limited. The free throw lines definitely seem like there's more pairs than these. So this is one of the 2,300 pairs, and this is what I ended up picking up from Soulfly. How did I get them? Some people are probably just wondering. Like, I ended up lucking out online, honestly. I forgot about the release, and then I saw a tweet about it, and I was like, oh yeah, that's right, the release is happening. So I went to the site, and I got on the site early and refreshed the site, and all of a sudden I checked out these in cart, paid for them, and then went back to the site just to see how they were selling immediately, and they were completely sold out. So I was like, whoa, this is crazy. So I was really surprised how quickly they sold out. I got them directly from Soulfly. But yeah, so it was super limited release, and really glad that I was able to pick up a pair. I gotta be honest though, I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna keep these or not. I have a ton of pickups from All-Star Weekend, so this might be the one that has to go to help compensate for some of the other ones, because the resale on this is a little bit higher than some of the other shoes. So I know that I'll probably regret it selling these if I do let them go, but at the end of the day, I just picked up too many pairs of sneakers from All-Star Weekend, and this was one of the ones that I was really not anticipating and being able to cop. And the Futurecraft 4Ds was the other one that I did not think I was going to be able to cop. And if you guys missed my unboxing of these, go peep that video. I posted the video with these on feet. It was pretty fun to do that. But anyways, that is pretty much the video. What did you guys end up picking up from All-Star Weekend? Leave some comments in the comment section. And that is all we have for this video. But if you guys are interested in subscribing to my channel, feel free to do so. And then if you guys want to check the screen at this time, you can go ahead and click one of the other videos and watch one of those. Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.